अमेरिका में पाकिस्तानी सिफारती मिशन के सरबराह बिलावल भुट्टो सरदारी ने कहा कि पाक भारत जंग बंदी के बाद अब खित्ते में अमन कायम करना होगा। हालिया सूरत हाल में पाकिस्तान पाक भारत जंग से पहले के मुकाबले में ज्यादा गैर महफूज है। भारत से मुज़ाकरात के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन खदशा है कि भारत इस सिलसिले में अमरीका की काविशों को सबोताश करेगा। न्यूज़ मैक्स को इंटरव्यू में बिलावल ने कहा कि भारत पानी को बतौर हथियार इस्तेमाल कर रहा है। उन्होंने अमेरिका के टैरिफ के फैसले को पाकिस्तान के लिए मुफीद करार दिया।
At the moment, we've achieved a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, thanks to the role played by President Trump and his team, Secretary Rubio, and that's a big achievement. The U.S. deserves credit for that. But this, at the moment, we've achieved a ceasefire, but we haven't achieved peace. And we're actually in a situation in South Asia right now where we're less safe than we were before this conflict. Pakistan agreed to this ceasefire. We did so while communicating with the United States, and we were communicated that this would just be the start, and we'd work towards a permanent peace through dialogue and diplomacy. In a neutral location, we'd discuss all friction points with India. And I'm confident that the President of the United States shares that vision. The Secretary of State shares that vision. But I also suspect that the Indian government will try and sabotage the President's efforts. So we're hopeful that that sabotage doesn't succeed. I think as part of any comprehensive dialogue, we'll have to discuss all issues. Of course, we have to discuss Kashmir as a root issue, as a reason why India and Pakistan keep going to war, but also because if we keep ignoring Kashmir, they'll keep producing the cannon fodder for terrorists to use in such an event. And the third thing is water. India is weaponizing water. They've threatened to cut off the water supply for 240 million of people of Pakistan. That's a violation of the UN Charter. That's surely something that no one can support. And we're really looking to the international community to add their voice at ours in condemning India's decision to cut off our water and call upon them to take back that decision. The tariff decision may have been a bad decision for other countries. For Pakistan, it's good because it means we're actually sitting with America and talking about trade rather than terrorism and war and all those other things that we used to be.